Taoyuan Airport TPE Arrival and Driver Pickup Guide. Taoyuan Airport has two terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Here is the arrival and pickup process for each terminal. Terminal 1, after getting off the plane, walk through the jet bridge and follow the arrivals transfer signs. Continue walking forward and you will soon see signs for immigration. Take the moving walkway toward immigration. After clearing immigration, follow the baggage claim sign to collect your luggage. Each carousel shows the flight number on the screen above it. Next, head toward Customs Arrival Hall. If you have nothing to declare, go through the green lane. Once you exit, you can meet your driver waiting with a meeting sign at the exit. Or you may go to the meeting point outside the arrival hall, where the columns are numbered. Tell your dispatcher the number and your driver will pull up the car to pick you up. Terminal 2. After getting off the plane, walk through the jet bridge and follow the arrival signs. You will see more signs showing inbound passenger arrivals. Just follow the direction. Continue on the moving walkway toward immigration. After you pass immigration, follow the baggage claim sign to the luggage hall. Pick up your checked baggage at the carousel that shows your flight number. Then proceed to customs. If you have nothing to declare, take the green lane and enter the arrival hall. Outside the arrival hall, you have two pickup options. You can meet your driver waiting at the exit with a meeting sign, or you can go to the numbered pickup columns outside. Tell your dispatcher your column number, and the driver will bring the car to pick you up.